11. You're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of minus x. This is equal to 15 over 4. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. We have 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of minus x. This is equal to 15 over 4. Now we can let 2 to the power of x be equal to u. Now let's solve this equation in terms of u, so that we have u minus u to the power of minus 1. This is equal to 15 over 4. Now u to the power of minus 1, this is in the form of a to the power of minus n, which we can express as 1 over a to the power of n. Let's apply this property so that now we have u minus 1 over u. This is equal to 15 over 4. U is our number, so this is over 1. So the LCM here is 4u. Let's multiply everything here by 4u. Here 4u. Let's also times here. We have 4u. So 4u times u. This is 4u squared. Then minus u and u simplifies. So minus 4. This is equal to 4 and 4 simplifies. So this is 15 times u, which is 15u. The next step is to take 15u on the left hand side, so that now this is 4u to the power of 2 minus 15u minus 4. This is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation which we can solve by factorization method. The product here is equal to 4 times minus 4. This is minus 16. The sum is equal to minus 15. So we can identify two factors here, such that these factors, we have minus 16 and 1. Minus 16 times 1, this is minus 16. Then minus 16 plus 1, this is minus 15. So let's substitute these two factors so that we have 4u to the power of 2 minus 16u plus u minus 4. This is equal to 0. So we have got two parts here. From the first part here, 4u is common. So we have 4u into the parentheses. This is u. Subtract 4. Then plus 1 is common here. So we factor out 1. Then we have u minus 4. This is equal to 0. So u minus 4 is common here. So we have u minus 4 multiplied by 4u plus 1, close the parentheses. This is equal to 0. So we have got two parts here. We have u minus 4. This is equal to 0. And we have 4u plus 1. This is equal to 0. So we have u1 is equal to 4. And here we have 4u. Let's take plus 1 on the right hand side. So this is minus 1. Let's divide by 4 on both sides. So this means that u2 is equal to minus 1 over 4. Okay. Now, if you recall, we are saying that let 2 to the power of x be equal to u. So this means that we have 2 to the power of x. This is equal to 4. And we have 2 to the power of x. This is equal to minus 1 over 4. Now, from the first case here, we can call this case 1. And this is case 2. Now, from case 1 here, we have that this is 2 to the power of x. This is equal to 4. We can express 4 as 2 to the power of 2. And since the bases are common here, that is a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m. We have that the bases are common. Exponent n should be equal to m. So in this case, we have the value of x equal to 2. We have the value of x equal to 2. Now, let's proceed to case 2 here. We have that 2 to the power of x, this is greater than 0. Remember, we have a positive value here. 2 raised to any value here is a positive value, which is, we have minus 4. This is less than 0. So this is not possible. So this is not possible to solve for the value of x. So in other words, we will have undefined result. Undefined result. And therefore, the second case here is rejected. The second case is rejected. Now, we have the value of x equal to 2. So the next step is to verify if this value of x here satisfies the equation. So let's check. Now let's check if the value of x, which is equal to 2, satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of minus x. This is supposed to give us a value of 15 over 4. Now let's substitute the value of x. This is 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of minus 2. This should give us a value of 15 over 4. So 2 squared, this is 4, minus 2 to the power of minus 2. This can be expressed as 1 over 4. This should give us a value of 15 over 4. Now, since 4 is our own number, so this is over 1. We have the LCM is 4. So 4 divided by 1, this is 4. 4 times 4, this is 16. Then minus 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 1, this is 1. And this should give us a value of 15 over 4. 16 minus 1, this is 15 over 4. And this is equal to 15 over 4. And this shows that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this affirms that the value of x here, which is equal to 2, satisfies the equation. So don't forget the steps. Like this video and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.